With all of the new possibilities introduced by generative AI to edit and refine digital content, it's important to take the necessary steps to preserve integrity and trust with your audience, and to prevent the spread of misinformation. In this lesson, you'll learn about Adobe's approach to combating misinformation in digital content through the Content Authenticity Initiative. You'll explore the initiative and its goals, cover the importance of content authenticity, and discuss some methods used to ensure content authenticity. The Content Authenticity Initiative, or CAI, is an Adobe-led collaboration between a large group of companies who are working together to fight misinformation by adding a layer of verifiable trust to all types of digital content. The goal is to establish and promote an open system that can verify the history and authenticity of digital content. The CAI was announced by Adobe in 2019 in partnership with X, formerly Twitter, and the New York Times. It's focused on cross-industry participation, with an open, extensible approach for providing media transparency that allows for better evaluation of content provenance. Provenance refers to the ability to verify the chronology of digital content, particularly through content metadata. For example, being able to track the origin and history of a photograph, when it was taken, what kind of editing processes it's undergone, and what its journey looked like through to publication. CAI ensures metadata information is secured, like the location and time a photograph was taken, what device and settings were used to capture the image, and any editing that the image has undergone, such as cropping, adjusting, tonality, and so on. All of this information goes into ensuring what's called image integrity. Image integrity is particularly used in photography to reference an image that represents a scene completely and without any alterations that violate its original appearance. It's important to be able to verify details about digital content such as their creation date, original owner, and history of edits for a number of reasons. Regardless of what you're creating, you have the power to tell a story and have an impact on your audience and how they're viewing your content. Unfortunately, there are individuals who intentionally or unintentionally may use this capability to perpetuate narratives that are untrue or harmful to others. Some tips for assessing the authenticity of an image include checking the lighting. Does it look too bright or dark? Or are there any unusual shadows given the scene that you're viewing? Checking for over-pixelated or misshapen objects can indicate areas where too much editing has been applied to alter the image. Take time to reflect on the motivation behind the content that you're viewing. What is being gained by the individual or group that is publishing or sharing the given image, photograph, design, and so on? Reflect on the source sharing the content. It's important to take the time and do some research to determine if a source is trustworthy. Some photographers refer to the 5 whys when they're evaluating a photograph, and these can be translated over to evaluating the authenticity of any piece of content. Why was the content made? Why was it published? Why is the story being told in this way? Why tell the story at this moment in time? Why does the content you're consuming move you? The Content Authenticity Initiative helps provide answers to some of these questions when fact-checking content. Clicking on the CAI information button on a published image lets you review who created the content, where and when it was made, how it was edited, and any changes made to the descriptive caption information. With so many new tools becoming available to experiment and push your creativity and design, it's crucial to balance this with the responsibility of maintaining integrity and trust with your audience, and taking the necessary steps to prevent the spread of misinformation. The CAI is a great example of how Adobe is helping to provide the tools creatives need to lead on these initiatives.